Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Laila Azwa binti Roslan, matrix number F18A0123, and I will be present about compost making. Firstly, what is composting? Composting is organic substance that has been converted to simpler or inorganic substance. Why do we need to compost? Of course, first, it is to enrich the soil and to create humus soil. How to make compost? Firstly, we need brown materials. It is carbon-rich materials, so it adds bulk to pile and also filter air into it. Next, we need green materials. Green material is nitrogen-rich materials. It heats the compost pile and helps the microbes in grow and multiply faster. Lastly, we need water. Water gives moisture to the soil and it is suitable condition for the active microbes. Before I show you how to make the compost, here is the green and brown materials that I used to make the compost. First, for the brown materials, I use dried leaves and newspapers. For the green materials, I use fruit peels and tea bags. After 2 weeks, the dried leaves, newspaper and tea bags still not decomposed, but there is no bad smell. There's small plant on the pile, and also my soil quite dry. After 1 month, the dried leaves and the tea bags still not decomposed, but there's still no bad smell, and my soil is now moist. After 1 month and 2 weeks, the dried leaves almost fully decomposed, but the tea bag still not decomposed. My pie also doesn't have bad smell. The reasons why the material still doesn't break down is because I did not turn the pie after 2 weeks. Since turning pie is important because it led the pie to heat up and decompose. Secondly, I didn't control the amount of water in the pile. Sometimes my pile is too dry or over moist. It is not suitable environment for active microbes. By fixing the mistakes that I made, I think my compost mix is the best. Firstly, the color of my compost mix is dark brown and crumbly. It indicates that my compost is good. Secondly, the smell of my compost. My compost mix never smell bad. This shows that the C to N ratio is properly balanced. Last but not least, there are worms in my pile. The worms show that my compost is healthy. They will eat the food scraps and then turn them into nutrient-rich compost. That is the reasons why I think my compost mix is the best. I will highlight again that my compost mix is dark brown, doesn't smell bad, and have worms in it. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.